This is today's video, is to replace this post. You can see how it's attached. Just kind of fit it up into this. Pretty easy. It's just nailed in there. There's no bracketry to this beam here. First step is to get this post out and then see what we're working with here. My first guess is that this post was put into the ground with concrete around it. Second guess is it's put into the ground with just dirt tamped around it. My game plan is to remove the rotten wood that is already surrounded by concrete and then fill that void up. Once I get all this stuff dug out, it's pretty much just dirt. Look at that, it's just dirt. Once all that's removed, fill that void with concrete and then put a proper post base and then a new cedar post. Now I believe all the siding is going to be repainted, and they may even be getting rid of this stuff here. But yeah, I just wiggle this around and I can see the nails are moving. So I'm going to locate all the nails and pull them. You can see the nails on this side here. Just going to use my little pry bar and I'll be pulling all these nails and try to get this post out without damaging these side pieces. Piece of cake. Just goes right up on in there. Just gonna leave this stuff. Okay, first order of business is done. Now I gotta see what I got to work with here. I may have to remove a few of these pavers. I'm just going to get my shop vac out and start vacuuming this dirt out and seeing how far I can get down. Alright, we've got concrete. That's it. That post was just sitting right there and this filled up like a cup. And well, rotted the base out. I'm gonna pull these pavers out and see what's more there. I may, if this is good enough, it's obviously will support the weight because this hasn't sunk in the 30 to 40 years that it's been here. We may just somehow build this up with another paver and drill through the paver all the way into this and put our post base right there and put the new post in. Alright, well my guess is this is a slab, an old concrete slab that was here before all the brick pavers. Don't try this at home. probably should have bought 2 bricks in case I break one, but I'm going to try to go easy on it. Yeah, just barely. There you go. So this is going to go down into the slab and get epoxied in there. Now I got to go drill a hole in the slab. That's not going to be as easy. So I'm in there a good 6 inches and we're still going. So my guess is that this is either a thickened slab on the edges or there is a caisson underneath this. Come on. See the difference in the color. The light gray is a thoroughly mixed color. The dark gray is not mixed. Welcome back. It's the next morning in the workshop. Got the old post. I've got my new post. My new post is not smooth 4 sides. It's a rough cut 4x6 cedar post. Now I'm going to make it a smooth 4 sides cedar post. I'll get into why I didn't just buy a smooth 4 side cedar post in a minute. But I wanted to show you the end of this. This is the old cedar post. And this is all water damage. No termites exist here. And man, it looks like there'd be termite damage. But no, this is all water damage from being encapsulated in water, being surrounded by those pavers. I'm going to take this over to the chop saw and I'm going to see how far that rot goes up. Just out of curiosity, and maybe you guys are interested. Lots of questions on the Instagram post. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, I don't know what's wrong with you. You must be the Handyman. I'll put it on the screen. I'll put it in the first link in the description. All you got to do is click it and click follow. And you won't be left out of the conversation that forms the video.
Over to the chop saw we go!
I'm also kind of curious to see if this chop saw can even get through this, if it's too small or not. Plug your ears. Still have rot. I just took off, 1.5 inches. I may end up keeping this post. Now I'm going to cut some more off until I get to some good wood. Still has holes in it. We're almost there. 1 more inch. We'll have a perfect post. Still a little bit. I think that's all I'm going to cut though. Got a little bit on the outside. I think that's just part of the outside wood. Got the old thickness planer dusted off. Some guys were wondering if I was ever going to use this thing again. The answer is, I'm going to use it today. And I even got my dust collection hooked up to it. So I'm just going to run this through until, flipping it both sides, until it matches the dimensions of that one over there. Then we'll have smooth four sides. And I will tell you why I didn't buy a smooth four sides once I get this one finished. Wow, would you look at that? That looks like, God, that does such a good job. Man, is that good. That is so amazing. This is better than any smooth four side you will ever be able to buy. Wow. I'm gonna run it through a little bit more. You see this end here. Need to take off just a little bit more. So I'll do one more pass on this side, then I'll do the other side, and then I'll do both ends. And man, are we gonna have a beautiful piece of wood. So here's my wood. This isn't a very high skilled job, so I wanted to find a way to, I don't know, show off a little bit, I guess. So this is one way, is to present them with a beautiful piece of wood. I'm also going to get some cedar boards to wrap the base, and that's about all you can do. It's due to be painted in a few weeks. Maybe they'll see how nice this piece of wood looks and want to hire me to do the rest of them and keep it all cedar.